In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do tying the coat. Tying the coat is the third movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is old frame first routine. This form has 74 movements, and in this Tai Chi series, I'm covering the first section of the 74 movement form. So let's get into the video. Hi, welcome back to Center Life Balance. My name's Colin, and this channel is about sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. This video series is covering the Lao Jia Yi Lu form and Tai Chi principles. In this particular video, we're covering the third movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is tying the coat. So let's get into the training. Okay, let's look at the movement now, tying the coat. Beginning from the end of the previous movement, which was Buddha's guardian pounds the mortar. So we finish off in this position here. The first movement is we're going to shift the weight a little bit to the left, and we're going to turn to the left also. Bringing the hand up in front of the body. You can see I've twisted down into the right leg, so I'm turning the body here. Turning the body, twisting. From here we're going to shift the weight to the right, opening the hands. This is an opening, and now we're going to shift the weight back to the left, closing the hands, left over right. From here then we're going to step out straight across with the heel first. Then we begin by turning here. Now you see that I'm just turning, the right arm is twisting and turning. The left arm is basically just coming down to around the dantian height. From here we're going to shift the weight all the way to the right, and then settling here, allowing the body to relax, palm faced outwards, hand resting on hip. So this is how we finish tying the coat. Let's look at the movement now at normal speed, beginning at the end of the previous movement. Now let's look at the last two movements together. So Buddha's guardian pounds the mortar, followed by tying the coat. That concludes this video, guys. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to do 6 sealings and 4 closings, which is the fourth movement in this form. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.